Hello, sculpture students. This is Miss Sanagar, and I'll be walking you through today's assignment, which is to create an artist portfolio for our class. In this portfolio, you'll be documenting your process, your progress, and uploading really anything that has to do with the art that you've made. For example, the first uploads that you'll be making are the three-dimensional digital models that you created on SculptGL. You will upload as many photographs as needed to show your progress. So the first step for today is to just open up Google Drive on your Chromebook and use your school login. You can use your phone, but you may have to download the app. Step 2 is to go to Shared with Me and find the Sculpture Period folder. So whatever period you're in, you're going to see Sculpture 4, Sculpture 4th period, Sculpture 5th period, or 6th period, or 8th period. I have already shared that with you. So you will go to Shared with Me, and this is what it looks like on the phone screen. Shared is down here, but on your computer it looks a little bit different. So it looks like this. You're going to go to the left-hand side and find Shared with Me, and open that, and you should see my folder. So these are my folders. You will see a folder called Sculpture 2 or Sculpture 3 period, whatever period you're in. So once you are there, the first thing that you need to do is create a folder and title it. This is the Create button. You will title it with your last name first, and then the first name, and then your ID. For example, Sanagar Christina, ID 73442. And then the last step is to upload your SculptGL digital 3D avatars inside of your new folder. Don't worry about the quality of the pictures. Those were just experimentations, and we still want to see how much you've grown. So again, you will click on the plus sign up here in the upper left-hand corner for New, and you'll just click on New Folder. You will title it last name, first name, and then your ID number. Once you've created your folder, in order to insert photographs and images, you will have to open the folder to go inside of your own folder. Don't just upload the pictures to the main folder where everybody will be able to see them. You have to open your folder, and then once you're inside, you'll click on New, File Upload. And this will allow you to see any pictures that are saved to your Chromebook. What if your photographs are on your cell phone and you want to upload them to your Chromebook? Just email them to yourself. So the requirement for every project that we do in my class is to upload at least 2 to 3 images of each work. So for today, I will upload 3 different angles of my digital avatar. Okay, and there is my completed assignment for today.